Welcome to the Rampart Operations Center, where radiation protection isn't just designed, it's built. Everything starts here. Raw materials, no outsourcing, no waiting on third parties. This is our proprietary ClearShield Technology, engineered, poured, and controlled entirely by Rampart. Every mold is dialed in for performance, clarity, and protection. This is where strength meets clarity, because protection should integrate seamlessly in your lab. Each shield is precision cut for performance you can trust. The Rampart system is a suite of solutions, fully assembled under one roof. From production to packaging, ready for shipment. And this is where it all comes together, the Rampart Innovation Center, tested, validated, and trusted in real-world environments. Rampart is the only enhanced radiation protection device, ERPD, in the world that can go from raw materials to finished goods in just 5 days.
In order to be the most trusted partner in the radiation protection market, we must be able to meet our demand without compromising on either quality or safety.